This video walks you through how to track homework in Notion. Start by opening Notion and creating a new page that will hold your homework tracker. This gives you one dedicated place to manage assignments, due dates, and notes without mixing them into other pages. Once the page is open, choose the option to create something new. Then select a table database. The table format works well here because each row can represent one assignment, while each column holds a different detail you want to track. After the table is in place, set up the properties you want to use. Add columns for assignment, subject, due date, status, priority, estimated time, and notes. These properties create the structure of the tracker. Assignment can hold the name of the homework, subject can separate classes, and due date keeps deadlines visible. Status helps you mark work as not started, in progress, or complete. Priority gives you another way to decide what needs attention first. Estimated time can help you plan your workload, and notes gives you space for extra instructions or reminders. With the properties ready, begin adding your homework. Click New to create an entry for each assignment, then fill in the details for that row. Add the assignment name, choose the subject, enter the due date, and set the current status and priority. Include the estimated time if you want a clearer sense of how much work is coming up. Use the Notes field for anything that does not fit neatly into the other columns, such as reading pages, submission details, or materials you need. Next, create multiple views so you can look at the same homework database in different ways. Select New View, then add a table view, a calendar view, and a board view. The table is useful when you want a full overview of everything at once. The calendar places assignments by due date, which helps you spot upcoming deadlines. The board view can group assignments visually, which is useful for tracking progress across different statuses. Once the views are created, organize your assignments using Filter, Sort, and Group. Filters help narrow the list to only the items you need to see, such as one subject or only unfinished work. Sorting can place assignments in deadline order or arrange them by priority. Grouping can cluster rows by subject, due date, status, or priority, depending on the view you are using. After that, open View Settings to customize how the database looks. Manage which properties are visible, adjust the layout for each view, and apply conditional colors if you want visual cues in the tracker. This can make important information stand out without changing the data itself. From there, keep the tracker current by updating statuses, adding new homework, and revising due dates whenever something changes. Your Notion homework tracker is now set up and ready to monitor assignments across table, calendar, and board views.